Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Management Studies by Sukaran Gupta. This is my profile. I hope you like my previous lectures. Friends, in my last video for 11th Business Studies, I discussed about history of commerce, indigenous bankers, their defects, their functions, their importance, everything. Now today I am going to discuss about the trading communities of older times. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and kindly press the bell icon so that you will get notifications for new videos in future, and do share with your friends so that more and more students can get benefited. So let's move towards our topic. Merchants, the first community in the trading business or the trading community. The community of merchants was the main group performing trading activities. The merchants at that time were divided into two. One is Vaisyas and second is Banjaras. The community of merchants had the right to perform and participate in various Vedic rituals, but remember one thing, they were not allowed to marry a woman of higher class. Without merchants, the people in the country, they'll get starved. Means they are the people who are known as traditional farmers who cultivate the crops, raise the cattle, brought goods to the market. That is why without these people, many people get starved. Now I'll talk about the Vaisyas. One of the chief subcaste of this community was known by the name Banyas. They are related to the Hindu and Jain families of Gujarat and Rajasthan, and till date you'll find Banyas in many of the states of India, and they have full control over the trade of northern India. Second is the Banjaras. This is the second community. These people generally did their trade in the villages. Some of the people of this very community also did their trading between the various villages, means from one village to another village. They mainly deals in grains, pulses, salts, etc. They include itself in both the communities, Hindu and the Muslim. When we talk about Banjaras, they played a major role in the trade of Gujarat. Without these people, many villages of Gujarat, they won't able to get food. Next, the next community is of Sarafs and the moneylenders. The merchants of northern India used to play the double role. Double role in the sense, on one hand, they did trading, and on the other hand, they did the job of money lending. In the role of Sarafs, these people did the business of silver, gold, and many other jewelry items. They were very expert in judging the purity of silver and gold by keeping the item in their own hands. And when we talk about the money lenders were the people who used to lend money to people. They were also called as bankers. I've inserted a photo in this slide. The person who's sitting with a saffron turban is a money lender. And the third merchant is brokers. They are the third trading community, or the trading mediaries were also known as brokers. They are the trading mediaries, means they act as a mediary between one and second trader. Their job was to make the sellers and the buyers of different goods meet together. The buyers and the sellers of goods were spread in far off places. The dalals used to maintain relation with both the parties, as and when required they would help in getting the transaction done between two, and in exchange of their services they would get benefited in terms of commission. Means they charge commission from both the parties, that is, one is from seller and one is from buyer. Now the major trade centers of India. First categories of products and second is of centers. When we talk about the cotton clothes were found in Ahmedabad, Lucknow, and Madurai. Then the woolen clothes. The major trade center for woolen clothes is and will be Kashmir. Then the metal goods. Banaras is the major trading center for metal goods. Then comes Pune, and last is your Vishakhapatnam. Right now, in today's business world, these trading centers were added into a list with some more trading centers. Then is shipbuilding. Earlier, Calcutta, which is known by the name Kolkata, was also the major trade center for shipbuilding. Without Kolkata, at that time there were no other trade centers in which the construction or the building of ships takes place. Some important imports and exports of India. First, we'll discuss with the imports. The major items which were imported at that time was wool, dried fruits, coffee, honey, paper, tea, silk, and metals. And the exports which took place at that time, which were exported to other countries also, was raw silk, leather, rice, wheat, pepper, spices, opium, and precious stones. And for your kind information, once India was a land of precious stones, and many countries they used to import precious stones from our own country, that is India. Thank you for your time. See you soon with the next lecture. If you have any doubt, you can comment on this video. Do like and share the Management of Studies by Sukaran Gupta. Thank you.